all landed. We got another package for the VR. It's charger controller thingies. So, because we ran out of batteries. Anyway, I'm gonna be opening that. Here we go. One up here. And I think one on the bottom. No, that's the other. Alright. Come on. Does this thing even open, bro? Oh. Push it out. Oh no. The camera. Okay. Alright. All landed to MetaQuest thingy. Is it? Oh, it's pull it up real quick. Oh dear. Okay, this thing, the charger and everything, the cable, and then here, stands for the controllers. The bottom, the top, it's smooth and soft. And then inside the box, nothing. Alright, let's see what we got here. Instruction manual. Another one. Thing for the VR charger. Right there. Oh, whoa. Okay. These right here. And two things fell. These chargers, these are little batteries for the chargers. I don't know which one goes with which, but I'm guessing like that. Hopefully, I don't know. Anyway, let's get it set up. Or let me just clean the mess up here. We're back. Cleaned it up. It's a very long cable from right here to right here. And then this goes from the VR from here to that, and then all the way back to the cable. Let me check the instruction manual real quick. I don't know how to read it. Anyway. Okay. What about the other one? Nope. Anyway, let's go to the desk. The desk, I had to move my chair, and my desk is a little messy. Space. Move it. Alright, let's go. Let's bring the stuff over here. Alright, now we have the stuff here. Let's see how to set it up. Move the cables real quick. Hold on, give me a second. Alright, and we're back. And here's my VR. For the name. Take off the name. Anyway. We don't need to see my name real quick. How do we set this thing up? Let me get this one specifically. This one with the weird end. Okay.
See these batteries over here. This. Let's see, over here. This goes through here, right? It's a little confusing. What else? have no idea, bro.
What? Okay, you know what? Blood. I realized I was using the wrong one. This is left. This is right. I'm such an idiot, bro. Okay, let me figure this out with that off camera. Finally, bro. So the little curve goes like this, and it's easier. Get this thingy. There. Oh my god. Why did it take that long, bro? Why did it take that long for me to realize I was doing it wrong, bro? Okay, let's take off the other one. Oh my god. And let's take the battery out. Okay. Minus. Plus, so like this. There, I got it. Now just put the thing back in. And then, what's the instructions gonna say? How to go? Okay, so, like this. Like this, like that, and then oh, wait a minute. Let me get the other cable. All right, got the other cable right here. Controller's like in the corner over here. Let's see. I have to do this thingy. Okay, one. Okay, I see now. Get these rubber controllers out of the way. Alright, flip it. This goes in here. This is the symbol. Fit. Oh, I got it. Got it. Alright. Put that there. Get the other cable. It's both the same. It's both the same. It's both the same, man. Oh no. Okay, there. This took me so long to figure out. It's because of the controllers. Let's wrap around. Let's just use the one that's over here. This Oculus charger that I have over here. Oh, the green lights are showing. Okay, and it's charging. Where's the controllers? Alright, put on the controllers. Oh, it's orange. Alright, it's charging. Oh, I heard the noise. Y'all heard the noise. I heard the noise. Now this will turn green and these will turn green when it's done. I wonder if it'll work with the charger, like as in like the rubber controller thingies. I wonder if it'll work with these. It's dirty in here. Anyway, let me try putting this one. Yeah. What the? Oh, well, I can't exactly close the thing anymore. So, I guess I'll have to buy another pair of like case things with the controllers. Alright, let's try, I guess. That's not gonna work. Alright, oh well. Alright, and I have the chargers over there. Just take these. So the cases don't work because it needs to go in here, but it won't because the thing's plugged in. So anyway, time to go. Here we are. All right, and I'm right here. The controllers are fully charged. All right, and let's go into Animal Company. Oh, I guess not. Well, it works and it's nice. I like it. Now I don't have to like swap out the batteries in here and there. I can just charge them. And yep. All right, anyway, that's it. Bye.